Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the topic of psychological stress, and in this video I will tell you the method by which you can use ice and water to de-stress the body and mind. So stay tuned in the video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel, so like, subscribe and share and press the bell icon to never miss an update. So let's start the video. Searching for solution to stress and anxiety has never been more. The current pandemic has left many people stressed, anxious that is stressed. Some very common and simple practices that can be done to reduce the level of adrenaline in your body and help you relax. Regular diet, physical exercise helps a lot. However, there is a technique called chirotherapy that even athletes use. So, what is chirotherapy? Chirotherapy aims to restore and develop muscles after intense physical exercise. Athletes enter ice baths so that the muscles are worked. However, it is used by people who are not athletes to manage their stress level. The methods became popular with the name Wim Hof, which consists of exposure to cold and combined meditation and breathing. Practitioners claim that the practice works directly in controlling and reducing anxiety and stress inducing nervousness. So, this name is derived from the creator of this technique, a Dutch athlete known as Snowman. You can already understand that the name is not for nothing, therefore. So, expert says that when a person enters an ice bath, the body tends to want to get out of there. In other words, the organism feels a pressure to escape a situation that it does not agree with. However, by choosing to stay in the bathtub, the person is in control of the situation. So, breathing slows down slowly and the prevailing feeling in a sense of peace. In fact, this is the desired anti stress effect. So, by this method, you can reduce your psychological stress. So, if you like the video, then like, subscribe, and share, and press the bell icon to never miss an update. Thank you, and subscribe the channel and comment below.